I guess I really don't know what Christmas is all about.
Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel Ava's Luxury for Less with me Avanita. Guys, in my video today I'll be showing you just how I created some last minute accessories for my coffee table. As you can see, I got a red stag. I got this stag from One Below, is one pound. I got the floor arrangement also from One Below, it was £1. I got these frames, they are from some 99p and they were £1 each. My scissors and hot glue. So I'm just going ahead just to use the scissors just to take off the packaging and also the back bit of the photo frame. You guys want to be very careful with your scissors because you don't want to cut yourself at this time, so please be very careful. And then from there I just use my pliers just to get those little back bits off that was holding down the board and also the glass that was holding into the frame. So guys, I just want to say thank you so much for coming back to my channel. If you're new here, go ahead and like, comment and share, and also subscribe to my channel. And also for my returning subscribers, thank you so much for returning to my channel. I do appreciate you guys so much, and I love all the support that you've given me with my recent news. I think it was on Friday, but also I uploaded the video on Saturday. So guys, thank you so much. So from here, as you can see, I just went through all the 4 frames and just get them prepared as to what I want. And then from there I just use my hot glue gun just to put some hot glue around the frame, because I will be putting back the glass because I want to give it that kind of nice look. I don't just want the glass to be left out, so you guys want to be very careful with this process as well. So if there's anyone that is watching this video and you're not aware, I got engaged on Friday. I'm so excited. I'm still blushing, still laughing. So I just want to say thank you so much guys for all the lovely messages that you guys sent me about my engagement last week. I got engaged last week Friday. I came home from college. I was told I was going for dinner, and then I came back home and he asked me, do you want to marry me? And I'm like, yeah. I was crying, but I'm really happy. So guys, thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Isn't there anyone who knows what Christmas is all about?
So as you can see here, I'm using the hot glue gun just to seal back in the glass, because I don't want it to fall out and I won't be using anything else to attach the glass. So I'm just using a generous amount of the hot glue, and I did this for all 4 of the frames. And then from there, once I finished that section, I just went ahead and then just start section out as to how I want them to stay. I didn't want it to be too wide, so I put it on the rectangle way. Once I was happy with it, I just proceed with my glue. As you guys can see, I'll fast forward this bit a bit so you guys can see the first bit what I've done. So I just fast forward it. So I just put some glue and also just use my hot glue gun just to put some hot glue on, because the glue won't hold straight away, but the hot glue will hold it in place until the glue is dry. So please be very careful with your hot glue and also your glue. Make sure that your windows are open so you have ventilation, because the glue is really strong. I'm sure you can pick up these these frames from any pound store, or even online, Amazon, eBay, even in Argos. It totally depends on you, but I got these one at £1. As I said, they are from some 99p, and I love these ones. They have nice little waves, waves on them, and I really like them. They just look really cute. This reminded me of my I think it was my first autumn floral that I did. I will leave a link in the description box below with that video so you guys can check it out if you haven't seen it, but it reminded me of it. So yes guys, so once I finish, I add on all three, and then I just put this one on top. After I finish it, this is what my box look like, and I just add my Christmas pick onto it. Now you can hot glue it, but because I want to do something else with the box, I just attach it on with the wire that comes with the pick. And I just went ahead with my glass cleaner, cleaning cloth, and then just start cleaning the glasses inside and out. Once I was finished, I proceed to bring it over to my coffee table because I will be working on a next project. I went in with my LED candles. I got these candles last year from Primark, the whole three. It was £10 and I got it for £2.50, I think. So it was a really good deal, and they're a year old. Well, they're more than a year old, so you know, I'm really happy that I did get them, and they did worth the £2.50. So on to my second project. These are some doorknobs that I got from Home Bargain. I got this circle mirror from B&M, and I got these beaded chain also from One Below, and I got these 3 Paramount glass from some 99. So what I'm going to do here, I'm just going to take one of the knob out because I only need one, and it comes with a little screw on the back. Just please be very careful when you unscrew it. So I will start from here. I get my bead, and I just took one of the glass and then just use some hot glue. You want to use a generous amount of hot glue onto it because you will see further along in the video I had to keep going back and forth just to keep the bead in place. So you want to use a generous amount of hot glue just to keep the bead there. So I just make sure that is in the line that goes around the glass, so it looks, you know, nice. It doesn't look as if I actually did it by myself. It looks like this is how I bought it. As I said to you guys before, I had to keep going back and forth with the hot glue, so just use generous amount if you want to keep it there. And then I just use my scissors just to get off the extra bit that was hanging. And once I finished the top, I went ahead and did the bottom bit. Again, generous amount of hot glue, but please be very careful not to burn yourself. I had so much fun doing this, to be honest with you. I kept saying that I had so much fun, but it was so much fun. I actually saw this on Instagram. Her name is Decor, that's Snippet. I'll leave a link, or I'll leave her name below so you guys can check her out. She is amazing. She does really amazing DIYs, and I've started following her. And if you guys want to pick up on some new DIY decor ideas, she does lots of decor stuff. Please just check her out. So after I finished completing and put on my knob on top, I just went ahead with my scissors and just take off the excess hot glue which was there. It didn't come off properly because I didn't wait, but you wait a few seconds and it will come off properly. But as you can see, I just used my cleaning cloth just to get it off. But in that time I had to go back again and put on more hot glue because I'd rub it out because I didn't wait long enough. So please just wait long enough for it to dry, and then also just go back with something to get it off. And then from there I start working on my round glass, sorry, my round mirror, and I basically did the same thing what I did before. Hot glue onto the mirror, and then just use my bead just to go around. Again, generous amount of the hot glue because you don't want it to come off straight away. So generous amount. As you guys can see, I had to keep going back and forth. It's totally up to you how much you want to make, but I only needed the one, and this thing I don't really need a lot because I have a lot of stuff, and my apartment or my flat is quite small, so I don't want it to be too, you know, overpacked and all of this. So I just made one, but if you want to make two, and you can extend it as well. So this is what everything looks like after I'd finished created it, the lantern, and then also like a little candle holder. Yeah, I'm so in love with everything. I hope you guys like the end result. Please comment below and let me know what you think of the end result. So this is what it looks like, and I just use one of those little flicker lights just to add on top of, oh sorry, underneath the candle cover, or yeah, candle cover that I've made, and I just add my little red stag to it, just to kind of give it that kind of pretty red color, just to make it stand out a lot more.
Christmas is all about. Isn't there any
Guys, if you have more time, you can make it into something a lot bigger. You don't have to use this small glass. You can use a bigger glass, and of course you can use a bigger knob, but this is what I had on hand, and I just decided, okay, I'll just go in with it. And as you can see, my Christmas pick is so beautiful with the light shining on top of it. Is so beautiful. So guys, I just want to say thank you so much for checking out my video with me. Thank you so much for staying with me this long, and also guys, please check out my playlist below. So thank you guys, and I'll see you next week. Next week will be the last video before Christmas, so guys, check it out please. So thank you so much. Bye bye.